Hello my dear children, once again welcome back to the EVS class. Children, can you remember in EVS we have done one topic that is called birds. In this topic we have learned few birds name and we have seen different types of birds, right? Beautiful birds. Now I hope you can recognize the birds, right? So today is revision time. I am going to show you some pictures of different types of birds. You have to recognize the pictures and you have to tell their names, okay? So let's see the birds.